In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this 6x3 half arch backdrop. So be sure to watch, screenshot, and save this video so you know exactly how to build your own. This backdrop is made out of 3/4 inch birch plywood, and it does come in an 8x4 sheet. So the first step of the process is to mark out 2 feet off the length, and then make markings for the 1 foot section that's going to be taken off the width. I like to cut the 2 foot section first, as you can use the 2 feet by 4 feet section for a different project, or you can use 1 foot of it to make the sandbag bracket. But also notice that I put down painter's tape, as this does reduce the tear out and give you an overall cleaner look. But as always, I do have the better looking side face down, as you're always going to have some type of tear out. The next step of the process is then cutting off the 1 foot section. For this, I used a spare piece of wood, as I didn't have a long straight section. Once you have both pieces cut, the next step of the process is to mark out where you will be cutting the half arch. And for this, you'll notice I used a scrap piece of wood and a pencil and marked it out. I did make a pilot hole in the center of that spare piece and marked it out 3 feet from that section, as that is the radius of the circle. Once that was done, I did turn around the board so that I could provide a clearer look. And when using the jigsaw, make sure to take your time. One tip I could also provide is to make sure that you stay on the outside of your markings. And once you're done making the cut, I would recommend giving it a quick vacuum and sanding throughout, just to prevent any potential splinters and so that you can clean up the curved look. Once you're satisfied with the look of your curve, you're now ready to install the legs for the backdrop. Be sure to put all your questions in the comments.